Hello traders everywhere, Jeremy Lutz coming from the digital studios of Market Club. And the FAANG stocks have pushed the Nasdaq to record highs, as you can see here, trading above 7,800 for the first time and hitting an all-time high of 7,803.62 today, with a chart analysis score of plus 100, indicating that we are still in a long-term uptrend for the Nasdaq as it continues to make record highs. And that came after yesterday. It actually had a small loss compared to the Dow, but down 0.2% yesterday and a relatively unchanged the day before on the threat of Chinese tariffs by President Donald Trump. But as you can see, a major rebound back today, up almost a full percent on the day. Kilo to watch is 7,354.29. A move below that level would issue a red weekly trade triangle indicating a move to a sidelines position for the Nasdaq. And we'll take a quick look at the FAANG stocks here in a second. We'll take a look at the Dow Jones. Interestingly enough, while the Nasdaq is making record highs, the Dow Jones has creeped back below and trading below its level where we opened at the year. And you can actually, we'll take a look, we'll change this chart to show you exactly what we're talking about here. If we open it up to the full year, and we're going to change it just to some candlesticks here, you can see as we're marked right here with this line, we opened trading in 2018 at 24,809.35, trading on the low that day at 24,741.70. And as you draw this line right across here, you can see we're currently trading below that level yesterday and today at 24,708.65. So the Dow has given back all of its gains for the year and is trading below the open for this year. So really under some pressure. Moving along to S&P 500, currently trading at 2,773.63 with a chart analysis score plus 55, gaining 0.4% on the day. Key level to watch would be 2,676.81. A move below that level would issue a red weekly trade triangle indicating a move back to a short-term position. And we'll get back out of our portfolio here. Actually, we'll speed back past these and we'll take a look at the US dollar. Currently trading at 94.67, relatively unchanged on the day. However, the chart analysis score remains plus 100 with green trade triangles across the board. Key level to watch would be 92.76. A move below that level would issue a red weekly trade triangle indicating a move to a sidelines position for the US dollar. And we'll take a look at gold here, currently down on the day about 0.2%, almost 0.3%, trading at 1,275.100 with a chart analysis score negative 100, indicating that overall the long-term trend is down for gold. And a key level to watch is 1,286.80. A move above that level would issue a green daily trade triangle indicating a move to a sidelines position for a short-term trend on gold. We'll take a look at crude oil. Got a green daily trade triangle today at 65.98 that I was giving you earlier in the week, indicating a move back to a sidelines position for crude oil with a chart analysis score negative 55. Key level to watch going into this week will be 63.59. A move back up below that level would issue a red daily trade triangle indicating a move back to a short position for crude oil. And all eyes are on the OPEC meeting set for Friday in Vienna, where Saudi Arabia and Russia are going to meet and discuss if they're going to increase output or not. So it's definitely something to keep your eyes on if you're trading crude oil at the moment. We'll back out of here, take a look at Bitcoin real quick. Having a decent day, up about 2.3% on the day, or 153 points. Still trading below that 7,000 level at 6,761.02 with a chart analysis score negative 75, indicating that we're still in a short position for Bitcoin. Key level to watch remains 7,666.47. A move above that level would issue a green weekly trade triangle indicating a move back to a sidelines position for Bitcoin. And as promised, we'll go ahead and we'll take a look at my FAANG portfolio here. As you can see, pretty much green across the board, with Facebook, Netflix, and Amazon all hitting new all-time highs today and trading close to 3% for Netflix and Facebook, with Amazon up 1.5%, Google, Alphabet up 1.5%. The only laggard of the group is Apple, which is up about 0.6% today, but we still have A red weekly trade triangle and a chart analysis score -60, indicating that we're in a sidelines mode for Apple, waiting for it to head back higher. So with that, every success, have a great trading day, and I'll be back on Friday to wrap up the week.